Welcome to Bitcoin News Today on the 13th of July 2018. My name's James, and in today's episode we've got news of a new Bitcoin scam that is targeting porn viewers. So if that sounds interesting, then do stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, we've also got news of a price prediction for Bitcoin. Could go up to $50,000. But just a quick look at what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment. Here is the all-time graph, and here is the trend line that I plotted. You may have seen this in my previous videos if you're a subscriber. And we've got this lower trend line, a support line, and a upper resistance line. So this was the peak in December, and we've seen a bit of a downtrend. So I think it's going to go down to around about, we could go down to 5,400 before the price starts to go up again. And if we scroll forward in time, then we'll be looking at around about the end of 2019 before we're back up to levels that we saw in December. So good news if you're a Bitcoin investor, because right now is a very good time to buy, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. So let's look at our first news story, which is this scam. And the way it's been working is that via malware, the scammers claim to have compromised footage of the viewer taken from their webcam while pornographic videos were playing. And the scam email begins by revealing to them their own password, which is presumably from a company data breach. And that's offered as proof that their computer has been hacked, although it's unclear whether any footage really exists. And the scam email states that a remote control desktop program has been installed on the victim's computer, enabling the scammer to remotely access and record video footage along with the victim's entire contact database, with the threat that the video will be sent to the contact list. However, the email is very vague and doesn't include the names of any specific porn sites. The email also offers to show proof by sending the footage to 9 contacts. Because the scammers are offering to display the email only by potentially embarrassing the victim, it's likely that the scam is a bluff. The scam goes on to state that $1,900 is the price for secrecy, forwarding a Bitcoin address. While Bitcoin is more traceable than cash, the pseudo-anonymous nature of the currency and the ease with which it can be transferred into a private currency like Zcash or Monero and then laundered makes it a more viable method of online extortion than accepting a wire transfer or PayPal payment. However, other fiat currency methods like transferring fiat into gift card payments from e-commerce marketplaces are also widely used by scammers. Professor Emin Gun Sira of Cornell University tweeted one example of the scam email sent to a friend of his, referring to the practice as crypto blackmail and urging targeted people not to pay the scammers or attempt to negotiate with them. So here is the email that you can see on screen. So it is a bluff email. So if you receive an email like that, just delete it. It's not exactly spam email because they do know your password. So that will have come from a data breach. That happens all the time. So if you get an email like that, just change your passwords and change your passwords regularly as well. And it could be, although it's unlikely, that there might be some kind of spyware on your computer. So do thorough virus checks of your computer just to be on the safe side. More positive news next. The CEO of Abra is the latest crypto expert to make a Bitcoin prediction, this time at $50,000. So let's see how he figures this out. In stark contrast to other price predictions, Barhyde didn't specify a time frame, making his expectation of a 50,000 Bitcoin more feasible. of course. These predictions and opinions do not come without value, as Abra has quickly become a leading service for mobile-centric cryptocurrency investors. The crypto services firm hopes to help adoption rates by offering an easy-to-use and accessible service for fiat-to-fiat, fiat-to-crypto and crypto-to-crypto trades. So it seems to me, if you make a price prediction for Bitcoin, it's an excellent way to get free publicity. Let's just look on the chart to see when we can reasonably expect to get to a $50,000 price. So let me squash that down so that we see the 50,000 here, which would be at this level. So probably we would be looking at the year 2020 until we get to 50,000, unless something happens extraordinary. It could be as soon as April 2019, which is not far away, but the price would have to rebound. Where's my drawing tool? It would have to kind of go down and then bounce right up. So it is a less likely scenario, to be quite honest. The most likely would be for the price to go along here for quite a while before another upturn. You see, between 2015 and 2017, the price followed that support line quite closely, and we're heading back towards that support line now. So that's it for today, and I would like to ask you to please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'd love to get more subscribers, and it will help my video just to reach more people. If you've been watching my videos for a while, hopefully you'll know that I'm always breaking the news first, and then all the other bigger channels just do the same information as me. So I really do need more subscribers. So I appreciate every subscriber, every like, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. And remember, you can get $10 worth of Bitcoin free by clicking the link in the video description. That goes through Coinbase, which is the most trusted, licensed, and insured Bitcoin exchange on the planet. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.